Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make Chrome your default browser. First, open your computer's settings application. Then, find and click on the Apps section. From there, you will see an option called Default Apps. This is where we will begin our journey to set Chrome as your primary web browser, ensuring a smooth transition. Once you are in the Default Apps section, look for the setting labeled Web Browser. It typically displays your current default browser. Click on this entry, and a small window or drop-down list will appear, displaying all the web browsers currently installed on your computer. This step is crucial for making your selection. From the list of available browsers, simply find and click on Google Chrome. Your operating system might ask for confirmation to change the default. If it does, make sure to confirm your selection to proceed. This action tells your computer to use Chrome for all web links, making it your primary internet tool. To verify your change, try opening any web link from an email or document. It should now automatically open in Google Chrome, confirming your successful setup. You have successfully made Chrome your default browser, ensuring a consistent and familiar browsing experience for all your online activities and tasks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.